Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math algebra problem. So here we have this is a plus b is equals to 4 and ab is also equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of a and b. Here first we will be called that this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So first we need to focus on equation number 1, and our equation number 1 is implies that here we move this a to the right hand side and we write this equation as b is equals to 4 minus a. This is positive a. When we move it into the right hand side, it will become the negative a. So this is our equation number 3. And now here our target is to find the values of a and b. So for this we use this equation number 3 in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that we substitute this value of b here and it will becomes a times of b. The value of b is 4 minus a is equals to 4. And now further in the next step we multiply this a separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes here 4a minus this a times a becomes a square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. So this is positive a square. When we move it into the right hand side, it will become, this is negative a square becomes positive a square. This is positive 4a becomes negative 4a, and this is plus 4 is equals to 0. And now you see here this equation will becomes in quadratic form of a variable. And now here we just apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4, and c is equals to plus 4. And we state the quadratic formula as small a is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. Here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in the below formula, and it will be written as a is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 4. It will becomes here now minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 4 square, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have this is minus times minus becomes here plus 4, and plus minus, this is a square root of minus 4 square, and a minus 4 square becomes here, and here you see that this is minus 4 square, and minus 4 square becomes 16, minus 4 times 4 becomes 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So here we need little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as 4 plus minus 16 minus 16 becomes 0, and it is divided by 2. And here we just obtain the value of a is equals to 4 divided by 2, and this implies that we get the value of a is equals to plus 2. So here we get only one value of a, and now we substitute this value of a into the equation number 3, and we obtain the value of b, so that our equation number 3 is implies that b is equals to 4 minus a. And when we substitute this value of a here, it will becomes b equals to 4 minus 2, and this implies that b is equals to 2. So this is the value of b. So here in this question we will get only one root of the given equation on only one order pair of the given equation, and that is ab is equals to 2 and 2. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of ab the solution, or is this value of ab the extraneous root. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is a plus b is equals to 4, this is the first equation, and ab is equals to 4, this is our second equation. So here on both of these two equations we will substitute a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 2, and we check its behavior. So here when we substitute both of these two values on both of these two equations, it will be written as, when you put in here, it will becomes 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 or not. This is our claim, and we obtain here 4 equals to 4. So this shows that the values of a and b satisfied our first equation, and in the same pattern we verify the second value of b, so that we substitute this value of b and a on the second equation, and it will be written as the value of a is 2 and the value of b is also 2, and here we check that is this equals to 4 or not, and you clearly see here 2 times 2 becomes 4 equals to 4. So this again shows that both of the sides are equal, and this means that the value of a b is equals to 2 and 2 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is AB is equals to 2 and 2. So here we obtain this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting and exciting videos.